beginner dirt bike. If you have a small child or small member of the family and wants to learn how to ride a dirt bike, this is a great start. Price is right now $6.99. It's a 4-stroke electric start. The seat height is 24 inches, chain driven. It does have hand brakes on both sides, on the right side, left side. This also features a speed limiter, which is new to a lot of dirt bikes. New for TaoTao. Speed limiter here, adjustment, which definitely limits the access to the throttle. Come down and check this bike out. $6.99, 4-stroke electric start, beginner kids dirt bike. Right now for $6.99. Let's give it a start. Has an on and off switch here on the left side. Place this on. It does have the emergency feature. Starts right up. 4-stroke, so it's not very noisy. Again, the DB20 from TaoTao, $6.99. We are located at 920 Matley Lane, Suite 6. Number here is 775-856-3398. 24-inch seat height, so it's definitely for the smaller rider. See you soon.